A very good morning, dear students. So today we are starting determinant. Okay? Although this determinant is not in your syllabus, but while solving one important topic, that is A inverse, we need determinant concept. You should know about the determinant, how to solve determinant, then only you can solve that important concept. Okay? That important topic. So let us understand. As you know that this thing determinant is symbolized by this particular symbol. Okay, whenever you put anything inside, any figure inside, it will be what? It will be your determinant. So यस्तो पाराले दिएको छ भने चाहिँ now you have to solve भन्यो भने चाहिँ you have to solve this. So how are you going to solve? The symbol of determinant is like this, and this delta, your delta ले चाहिँ determinant लाई symbolize गर्छ. Like A symbolize your this thing, okay? Matrix is equal to this, okay? Likewise determinant लाई चाहिँ तपाईको delta ले यो determine गर्छ. Okay? So simply you can solve 3 into 2 6 minus, यो minus चाहिँ तपाईको कहाँको आको भन्दा चाहिँ फर्मुला को, okay? 4 into 1 4 is equal to 2. 2 is your answer. 2 is your what? Answer. Okay. Likewise, let us solve one problem having 3 into 3 determinant. Okay. Like 1 2 1. Okay. 5 2 3 1 2 2 1 1 2. This is determinant. Okay, now you have to find the value of determinant. Then how are you going to do this? यसको चाहिँ एउटा फर्मुला छ, प्लस माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस प्लस. ओके, यो हेरेर गर्नुपर्छ. सो फाइन्ड द भ्याल्यु अफ डिटर्मिनेन्ट भन्यो भने चाहिँ सिम्पली फर्स्ट इज 1. ओके, दिस वान यसको माइनस यस माइनस 2 3 1 2, राइट? माइनस यसको 2 को कुन कुन हुन्छ? 5 1 3 2, प्लस अगेन प्लस 1 यसको माइनस 5 2 1 1. Okay, so you can solve now. 1 2 into 2 4, बीच में माइनस फॉर्मूला हो. 3 minus 2, okay, this is 5. 10 minus 3 plus 1, 5 minus 2. Okay, so this is 1 into 1 1 minus this thing 7 into 2 14. Okay, plus this thing is 5 3 5 minus 2 3 3 into 1 3. So it will be how much? 4 minus 10. Minus 10 is your determinant, right? Minus 10 is your determinant. So this is how you are solving determinant. Okay, so this particular concept will be, we will be using while solving important topic, that is called A inverse. That is called what? A inverse. Now we are going to find A inverse. Okay, that is also called inverse of matrix. Inverse of matrix. Inverse of matrix. Okay, in inverse of matrix there is a one concept, that if two matrices A and B are so related that AB is equal to BA is equal to I, then B is called the inverse of A and is denoted by A inverse. So that is A inverse is equal to A inverse B is equal to I. Okay. Now we are going to solve A inverse. Okay, inverse of matrix. This is very important for your examination. Okay. यसमा एउटा rule छ, त्यो चाहिँ के भन्छ, if two matrices A and B are so related that whether you multiply A and B or you multiply B and A, it will be same, result will be same. Or whether you multiply A and B and you compare with I, or you multiply B and A, if you compare with I, the result will be same if then B is called inverse of A. त्यस्तो भयो भने चाहिँ B लाई चाहिँ के भनिन्छ, A को उल्टा inverse भनिन्छ. Okay, so if this thing happens, then what, B is called inverse of A and is denoted by A inverse. त्यस्तो भयो भने चाहिँ we can denote B by A inverse. यो B, instead of writing B, we can write A inverse. Okay, so I am writing simply A inverse. Instead of writing B, we can write A inverse. And instead of writing B here also, you can write A inverse. B is equal to I. यस्तो हो भने चाहिँ यस्तो लेख्न सकिन्छ, B को प्लेसमा A inverse लेख्न सकिन्छ. Okay, so this is the rule. This is the rule. Okay. Now, formula A inverse is equal to what? A inverse is equal to A del determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is the formula. Okay, so how are you going to find A inverse? A inverse is equal to A determinant. Determinant में थुप्रो पाराले लेख्न सक्छ. Determinant A लेख्न पनि सक्छ. Otherwise, simply you can write delta here. Okay, A delta adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, how कसो निकाल्नु, we will do it. Okay, so formula is what? A inverse is equal to A divided by determinant A into adjoint of A. Okay, you have to find determinant. त्यो कसो निकाल्छ, we have just learned in our last video, and this adjoint of A we will be calculating. Okay, now question is, I will give you question. Compute the inverse of A. Inverse of A. Okay, they have given 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. Okay, this is the question. So from this particular question, you have to find inverse of A. You have to find what? Inverse of A. Solution. Okay, now you have to solve. Compute the inverse of A. Okay, solution. So COMPUTATION. Computation of A inverse. So A inverse, you know that A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Okay. So first you require what? Delta A. Determinant A is equal to what? Is equal to, simply you have to write this thing in this particular symbol, 0, 1, 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. Okay, now you can solve it and find the value of determinant is equal to 0, 2, 1, 3, 1, right? Minus 1, this thing is 1, 3, 3, 1, plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so this will be 0 only. Whatever you multiply with 0, it will be 0. No need to calculate this. And minus 1 into 3, 1 minus 9. Okay, plus 2, 1 minus 6. It will be how much? This thing, minus 8 into 8, minus 8 into 1, minus 1. This will be 8. Okay, then 2, this thing of 1 minus 6, 5 into 2, 10, minus 10 is equal to how much? This thing, just a second. Okay, minus 1, okay, into 8, minus 8 is equal to what? 8. Okay, plus minus this thing, 5 minus 5 into 2, minus 10 is equal to minus 2, which is not is equal to 0, See, यो जुन चाहिँ डिटर्मिनेन्ट को भ्यालु यहाँ 0 आयो भने चाहिँ A इन्भर्स नट एक्जिस्ट भन्ने हुन्छ. ओके, सो यदि डिटर्मिनेन्ट को भ्यालु चाहिँ 0 भन्दा अर्कै भ्यालु आयो भने मात्रै यु क्यान कन्टिन्यू विथ A इन्भर्स. ओके, यो चाहिँ याद गरिराख्नु. सो इफ द भ्यालु अफ डिटर्मिनेन्ट इज नट इज इक्वल टु 0, देन ओन्ली यु हेभ टु क्याल्कुलेट A इन्भर्स, बिकज त्यसमा चाहिँ के भन्छ, A इन्भर्स एक्जिस्ट भनेर भन्न सकिन्छ. So since the value of determinant is minus 1, you can write therefore A inverse exists. Okay, A inverse exists. So you found delta A. Now adjoint of A निकाल्नु पर्छ. Adjoint of A. Okay. So adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is what? Adjoint of A means what? Transpose of cofactors of elements. See, adjoint of A भनेको चाहिँ ट्रान्सपोज अफ कोफैक्टर्स अफ एलिमेंट. यो सबैको कोफैक्टर्स निकाल्यो. त्यो कोफैक्टर्स निकालिसकेर when you transpose that, it will be adjoint of A. Okay, adjoint of A. Okay, adjoint of A means transpose of cofactors of element. Okay, so first we have to calculate cofactors of element. Okay, so cofactors of elements. Okay, so write down A. Suppose not A, cofactor of element this 1 1, this 1 1 is equal to what? Cofactor of element A11 is equal to what? Minus 1, okay, this one minus 1, I is 1 plus Z is also 1, 2 3 1 1, right? Okay, this is plus 1 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, is equal to minus 1. Likewise, cofactor of element 1 2 is equal to minus 1 1 plus 2, okay, is cofactor of the 3 1 minus 3 1 is equal to minus 1 1 minus 9 is equal to 8, is equal to 8. Okay, now cofactor of element cofactor of element 1 3 is equal to minus 1 1 plus 3, okay, this will be how much? 1 2 3 1, okay, so it will be plus 1 1 into 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5, minus 5, okay. Continue, you have to continue like this. Cofactor of element, okay, cofactor of element what? 2 1 is equal to 2 1 is equal to minus 1 2 plus 1, this thing 1 2 1 1 is equal to minus 1 1 minus 2 is equal to this thing 1, no? Then cofactor of element 2 2 is equal to minus 1 2 plus 2 2 plus 2, यो चाहिँ यस्तो नगर्नु ल, सिधा सिधा गर्नु, बिर्सिहाल्नुहोस्. This thing is this thing is 2 plus 2 is 0 2 3 1 is equal to plus 1 0 minus 6 is equal to minus 6, okay. Likewise, cofactor of element 2 3 2 3 is equal to minus 1 2 plus 3, it will be 2 plus 3, this thing 0 1 3 1 0 1 3 1, okay. So it will be minus 1 0 minus 3, okay. So 3 into 3 is equal to 3, okay. Likewise, you have to continue till you have to continue finding cofactor of elements, all the elements. Cofactor of element 3 1 is equal to minus 1, 3 plus 1, right? This thing. So it will be 1 2 2 3, right? So plus 1, 3 minus 4 is equal to how much? Minus 1. It will be minus 1. So likewise, cofactor of element 3 2 is equal to minus 1, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, no? So 0 1 2 3. It will be minus 1, 0 minus 2 is equal to minus minus plus 2. It will be 2. So likewise, cofactor of element 3 3 is 0 1 1 2. So it will be 0, no? It will be how much? You have not mentioned here. 3 plus 3. Okay. So plus 1, 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay. 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So you found all the cofactors. So cofactors of elements. All the cofactors you have to write again. All the what? Cofactors. Cofactors of elements, or you can say minus of cofactors. Same thing. Okay. When I write, it will be minus 1, 8, minus 5, 1, 6, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1. You found all these figures, cofactors of element. Now when you transpose it, it will be adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to, you transpose it. Okay. So minus 1, 1, minus 1, 8, minus 5, right? 6, 2, 3, minus 1. This is your adjoint of A. So you found adjoint of A, no? No, you can find now A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by delta A and adjoint of A, right? So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant is minus 2. You can see from your copy or from video only. Okay. Then your adjoint of A is minus 1, 1, minus 1, 8, 6, minus 6, 2, minus 5, 3, minus 1. Okay, this is this thing. Okay, so this is the, you can further move this thing. So it will be multiply this, 1 divided 2 is equal to 1 by 2, minus minus plus. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, this thing is 1 by 2 again. Okay, then this is, when you divide 8 by 4, it will be 8 by 2 it will be 4, but minus 4, right? This one is minus 3, this one is minus 1, okay? And this one is 5 by 2, this one, then 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, right? Then this is 1 by 2. So this is the answer. A inverse, you found it. Okay? So hope you understood this. Okay? Hope you understood this. Now, if the question is like this, another compute. I will give you one question. Okay? If A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. Okay? And I is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Find the matrix B such that AB is equal to I. Okay, so this is the question. A is given, I is given, and find the matrix B. You have to find B such that AB is equal to I. So when you multiply A and B, it will be I. So in this case, you can write what? Instead of writing B, you can write A inverse. A inverse. Right? That is our general formula. So you have to find B. So B भनेको नै A inverse हो, किनभने यो फर्मुलाले बताउँदैछ. So you simply find out A inverse here. Inverse A inverse निकालेको नै B निकालेको हो भन्नु बुझ्दैछ. So same question अघिकै जस्तै हो. A inverse is equal to 1 by delta A adjoint of A. You have to find delta A, then adjoint of A by finding cofactors, then transpose that and put on those values in this formula. You can find out A inverse. Okay, simply. Okay, so the same question. I hope you understood this thing, A inverse. So you have to practice more and more. Thank you very much.